How to create an Instagram account without phone number. So if you want to create an Instagram account without phone number, then first of all open up your Instagram application and now tap on log into another account and then go for create new account, and here you have to choose your name, your full name, and after typing tap on next, and then you have to create a password, and after creating the password tap on next, and then if you want to save your login info then you can tap on save, and now you have to choose your date of birth, and after choosing tap on set and then tap on next, and here you have to create a username, and after choosing your username or after typing your username tap on next, and here you have to enter your mobile number, right? So if you don't want to enter your mobile number then you can also sign up with your email address. You can simply tap on sign up with email address and then you can choose your email address, and after choosing your email address tap on next, and now tap on I agree. And if you want to add a profile picture then you can add it by simply tapping on add picture, or you can also skip that part, and now you can skip this part. So that's it. That's how you create your Instagram account without using your phone number. And if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.